This is the Vacmaster WD 18AG Garden Vacuum Cleaner. By saying that 3 times fast. Now, this is Vacmaster's dedicated garden vacuum, and it has specific tooling designed for cleaning artificial grass, decking, patios, gutters and ponds. As you can see, it's a nicely boxed bit of kit with an impressive range of specialist tooling for a machine at this price point. The vacuum is an 18 litre 1250 watt machine which is capable of both wet and dry suction. There's an impressive array of tooling inside the box, including an innovative molded floor head specifically for cleaning fake grass without damaging it or removing the infill, as well as a brass bristle brush head for removing stubborn moss and weeds from patio areas. The vacuum comes with 4 wide stance casters, which took me about 2 minutes to install, along with the carry handle. The casters ensure that the vacuum is secure on uneven surfaces in your garden, and the 35mm quick lock hose can be attached to the blower port, making your vacuum a leaf blower. Alongside the Vacmaster stainless steel extension tubes, you also get the artificial grass cleaning floor head and the Vacmaster 10-inch universal floor head. To change the functionality of the universal floor head, simply push the buttons at the end of it to release the inner slip, and then you can attach the artificial grass tool. Vacmaster actually recommend wetting down your artificial grass before using the floor head on it, and this is going to help get more debris out of the grass itself. I grabbed a pile of moss and leaves just to see how the head would fare, and it did pretty good. Now, I accidentally installed the head the wrong way around, so it did better on the pull back than the push forward because I was obviously brushing the moss and leaves out of the way, but still I was pretty impressed, and it didn't block the opening of the grass tool. The machine is bagless, so emptying it is really easy. You just unclip the head and tip out the waste. There is a nylon pre-filter to stop the main cartridge filter getting dirty, and the great thing about the cartridge filter is you don't need to switch it out between using it for wet or dry. Clever design means that the tooling, hoses, stainless steel tubes and accessories are all stowable on board the machine, including the very generous 10-meter long cable. Carl here from Cleaning How To with the Vacmaster Garden Vac review. Please hit the like button on the way out, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.